Lumens, your success, our focus.
This video shows you how to remotely schedule LC200 Media Processor units using Lumens Deployment Tool software. We will focus on two functions in this video. First, scheduling jobs manually and then importing and exporting schedules. Step 1. Let's start by looking at the basic equipment you need. All that's required is the Lumens Deployment Tool software installed on a Windows PC. Go to the Download section on the Lumens website. Search Lumens Deployment Tool and download the installation file. Step 2. Install the software on your PC. Click on the installation file that you've downloaded. Follow the instructions and you're ready to begin. Open Lumens Deployment Tools. Type in username and password, then click Login. By default, both the username and password are admin. Now you're logged on, let's create a new job. Go to the Work Schedule page and choose the LC200 you would like to program. Then select the date and time on calendar. Now click the Create button to schedule an event. From the drop-down list, select Record, Stream, or Standby/Wake Up. Type in the name of your event and click the Save button. Now the event is scheduled and will appear on the calendar. Each event can easily be edited or deleted as required. As well as manually creating events one by one within the application, it's easy to export and import calendar files. To export the calendar, hit Export and save the file locally. You can open the CSV file in any spreadsheet application to change, add and delete work schedules for each LC200 device. Now simply re-import the work schedule back into Deployment Tool. That's it. Job done. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.